Let's talk about overall gain in TGC for the user. Let's say I walk up to the machine and someone had used it before and it looks like this.
Right.
What happens?
It does. It absolutely does. And gain is important, being able to see the information that you need, of course. And there's a fun, and a lot of it's personal preference. Some people like to scan brighter than others. This is a little too bright because you're going to add artifact there, and this is too dim, as you saw. But most systems now have an automatic button to be able to optimize that for you. And in this case, it's called iScan. On the Philips system, it's called iScan. And you still have the adjustment of being able to do if you like. And then the TGC is time gain compensation, where, Julie, if you want to show when you move each one of them individually, where you can boost near field, far field, or in between in a specific part of that.
Okay. And then if I had this all whacked out, you could just hit the iScan and it corrects it for you?
You could, yes.
Very nice. Let's talk about zoom.
All right.
If we were going to go to the heart, or if I wanted to see an area in more detail.
There's two types of zoom. There's the read zoom, and then there's the right zoom. The right zoom is when you have an area of interest, you're making a box, and you're zooming up that particular area.
Okay.
So you would press the button, and once again, this would allow you trackball position or size. I recommend you use a combination of the read zoom and the right zoom.
Okay.
You don't want to make it so small that it's going to blow out the pixels or make it unreadable.
Unrecognizable.
Absolutely. So now we have that, so you can press that button.
The button again. Okay.
So now you've concentrated all your line density in this particular area. But if you still want to zoom up a little bit more, you just turn the button.
Once I'm already in it, I see.
Yes.
And you can move it.
Then you
around.
can pan.
Pan.
Pan. So if the baby's moving, you can stay with the baby with
That's
that.
nice.
And also, if you freeze the image, then you can still use your read zoom and still zoom
nice.
after the fact
Okay,
as well.
That's nice.
And that would be if you had color or anything on there, that there was an area that you really wanted to focus on and take a picture of that. You could do that.
Okay, and then if I unfroze and went to 2D, I'm out of, it
Correct.
brings me home.
Yes.
Okay, nice.